Hello, I'm Ken from Tokyo, Japan. How are you doing? Today I'm going to talk about why I started learning English. And this is my pronunciation practice, so tell me what you think about my English in the comment box below. 5 or 6 years ago, I was drinking with my friend and there were two English men right next to us and they talked to us. But my friend couldn't speak English, me neither. I only knew a few phrases like how are you doing and how are you, where you from. So we spent an hour, give or take, and when they leave, one of them asked me like, do you want to hang out next week? And I said, yes, I will be available next week, but I was actually afraid because of my English. But I was like, just buy the bullet and go, don't get cold feet. This is gonna be, an experience. And the following week, we met up at the same bar, at the same table, and surprisingly, it was so much fun. And some random, guys joined us. They're from overseas as well. When I got back home, I was like, oh wow, it was so much fun. I will never forget what happened tonight. I want to do this again, but first I need to become like them. On the day I decided to start learning English, I didn't have a light bulb moment. I have no idea how I got into British English. Of course I know I still have ways to go with my English. Sadly, I haven't been in touch with him recently. Hopefully he's doing well. I think he's in England. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching today. Stay healthy and hydrated. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.